Okay, we're at C2, so we're starting here, going down and around the whole area, back to the, what should we call it, this place, which is like a mine or something. So this is an old road that no one is using. Here's a map from like the 50s or something, and if you compare it to the new road, here you have them both. This is where the new road goes, and this is the old road. We're down at E3 at the corner. Is someone living here? Oh, there's a knife. That's creepy. Okay, let's leave. So we're going east. I'm pointing north. I'm standing at E3, looking at the caterpillar. This is the first crossroads. Can it be this? Let's see. No, let's go here first. Here's an old tape measure. 5 meters. I could use this. No, it's broken. Okay, never mind. Coming out to clearing, going downhill. This should be D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe, yes. Look, there's a road. We're down here. So we're at the southeast edge of the map. Going north along the path. Oh wait, hold on, what's this? Going northwest. Whoa, what's this? Mount house. Okay. Someone's been here. There should be a house up here somewhere. Oh. Okay. Nice. No one's been here for a while, but this is public area. Anyone can be here. What's this? Is this an outhouse? It's an outhouse without an outhouse. Cool. So we're still around here somewhere. Now you can't see any of these roads on the modern map. Maybe this one. Maybe this is the one. Could be this old road going north. We'll follow it, see what happens. A tree with the number 3. We're in C4 going west. Okay, there are paths. I thought it would just be like woods everywhere. And now we're seeing the gravel mountain. It's up there. We shouldn't be there, so we'll go back. This is sort of a road. Here's a path leading to the public road. We are now at, here we are. If we go back there, we have private property. Open private property.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do?
Almost got caught. We're heading west from C5 up to the mine. So this is the mine or whatever. It needs to be cleaned up so it can be safe to play.